need the commander. And office number 2.
Alright.
And all right. Why the commander? He comes every Tuesday and Friday and he checks secret papers which were in the safe. If these people didn't receive a signal to launch rockets, they were not allowed to touch the papers. The commander comes, checks, and he goes. Usually these 2 people during 6 hours in front of their screens. Many computers, they were taken away according to agreement with Moscow. And 10 floors they are sealed. It's impossible to go up. From this place we control 10 rockets. We can launch one by one, 3, 4, 7, 10. It depends on your signal. If you launch only one, it's not a problem. In 48 hours another rocket comes here. If you launch all 10, it's the war. No one will come and bring you a rocket. Now we will try to launch 10 rockets at the same time. Your button is here.
Okay.
Your button is here.
Alright.
When I say push, push your button. Ready? 3, 2, 1, pusk. You can see on the screen, we are going to launch all 10 rockets. On your keyboards, press any 10 numbers or letters, any 10. It's your code. You can follow the lights. Your codes are correct, they are accepted. Roofs of the silos with rockets open. Ten rockets went to America.
Oh no.
20-25 minutes they will be there. But the same rockets would come here as the answer. Our task is now just to sit and survive here for 45 days and nights. 10 rockets like this could destroy 2 million square kilometers. Very often our visitors ask what was a target. The targets were the same military bases, the same command centers or rocket silos. But if you launch the rocket with the power of megatons, it doesn't matter. They had a huge city or a rocket silo nearby.
So you have to have the key
Yes, sure.
in to
You need
both.
two hands because in theory you can try to reach the button.
I've always wanted to try that. You know, you see it in films.
Yes,
just
it's
about get it.
possible. But what about
Yeah.
the key?
I can't do that. So
That's
the
the-
key. Sorry, the key has to, both keys have to be turned, and then you press the button. So
You
I could-
press and turn. Between your left and right hand, 1.5 seconds.
Right.
Press and turn. You cannot like press and
Yeah.
then turn. No, together.
So I
press
can't
and
do
turn.
that. I can't do that, and then
No,
no.
no time. This
guess
is like
that's why,
a
yeah.
division. Why is it here? Usually flags were kept in the headquarters with 2 soldiers on both sides. That's the safest place on earth. They had to keep the flag here.
Right.
Now in Ukraine, from 5 to 12 years for selling things connected with the Soviet Union.
Really?
Yeah.
Even more than for the murder, which is
More
absolutely
than
crazy.
murder.
If I, for us as tourists, though, if I get something like that and then go to Russia, is it a problem for me?
No.
No.
Why? I was in Russia last year. It's absolutely fine, but
You're right.
on the level of the governments, it's crazy.
Yeah.
At the level of people, it's absolutely fine. I thought I would have problems at the customs in the airport, but they even didn't ask the purpose of my visit. My visitors from Ireland, they had more problems than I had from Ukraine.
Going to Russia.
Going to Russia. Because they say, when the plane arrives, 2 or 3 people, they just stop them, they check them, and they send them back home.
They just pick a couple.
Yes, just 3, 5 from a plane. It's necessary thing.
Oh my god.